Hey there, luxury watch enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly special in store. For you, we're about to unveil the top 10 luxury watches of 2023, and trust us, this list is going to leave you in awe. But before we dive into these horological marvels, let's make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. If you haven't already, by subscribing, you'll stay up to date with all the latest watch releases, reviews, and exclusive content, so don't miss out. Kicking off our list, number 10 is the Cartier Tank Americain Large. Cartier, a name synonymous with elegance and refinement, has been crafting exquisite timepieces for generations, and the Tank Americain is a timeless classic that has been reimagined with modern flair. What sets the Cartier Tank Americain Large apart is its balance of tradition and contemporary design. While it pays homage to the original Tank model, it introduces a larger case size, providing a more substantial presence on the wrist. The elongated case and gently curved edges not only make it exceptionally comfortable to wear, but also emphasize its sophistication and luxury. As your eyes wander to the dial, you'll be met with a stunning silver canvas adorned with Cartier's iconic blue steel hands. At number 9, we have the Audemars P Code 11.59 Universal Word for Audemars, a brand synonymous with horological excellence, has consistently pushed the boundaries of watchmaking, and this timepiece is a testament to their unrelenting spirit of innovation. What immediately captures the eye is its distinctive case design. The Code 11.59 Universal Word for seamlessly marries a round case shape with an octagonal bezel, creating a visual symphony that's both harmonious and striking. It's as if tradition and innovation converge to produce this horological masterpiece. But it's not just about appearances. Inside the elegant case, you'll find the in-house Caliber 2950, a self-winding movement engineered for unparalleled precision and performance. Now at number 8, we have a true icon of the deep, the Blancpain 50 Fathom 70th Anniversary Act 1. Blancpain, with its deep-rooted heritage and dive watches, has created an exceptional timepiece to celebrate the 70th anniversary of its legendary 50 Fathoms collection. This limited edition piece is not just a watch, it's a tribute to a legacy of underwater exploration. As you lay your eyes on it, you'll be greeted by a striking black dial adorned with vintage-inspired hour markers and hands. This design choice exudes a delightful retro charm that immediately transports you back to an era of exploration and adventure. Beneath the waves inside the robust case, you'll discover the heart of this beast, the automatic Caliber 1315. It's a movement that Blancpain has carefully honed over the years, known for its ruggedness and exceptional. Moving on to number 7, we have the TAG Heuer Monza Flyback Chronometer. TAG Heuer has a rich history in motorsports, and the Monza pays homage to their racing heritage. The watch features a distinctive cushion-shaped case with a black PVD coating, giving it a bold and sporty appearance. It's powered by the automatic Caliber Heuer 02, which offers precise timekeeping and a flyback chronograph function, perfect for timing those laps on the track. With its retro-inspired dial design and comfortable leather strap, it's a true standout in the world of racing watches. Now at number 6, we have the Ming World Timer. Ming is a relatively new player in the watch industry, but they've been making waves with their exceptional time pieces. The World Timer is a testament to their commitment to craftsmanship and design. This watch features a beautifully textured dial with a world map at its center, displaying multiple time zones. Simultaneously, it's powered by the automatic Ming Caliber 727, which ensures accuracy and reliability with its innovative world time function and stunning aesthetics. It's a must-have for globetrotters and watch aficionados alike. Breaking into our top 5 is the E.H. Moser Endeavor Perpetual Calendar. Tantalum blue enamel. H. Moser is known for their minimalist yet elegant designs, and this watch is no exception. The dial is a work of art featuring a mesmerizing blue enamel finish that radiates sophistication. What sets this watch apart is its perpetual calendar complication, which can accurately display the date, month, and leap year cycle without adjustment until 2100. It's powered by the in-house Caliber HMC 800, a manual winding movement that's a joy to behold. Through the sapphire caseback with its timeless design and intricate complication, it's a true collector's piece coming in at number 4, we have the Tudor White Dial GMT. Tudor has been gaining a reputation for offering outstanding value in the luxury watch market. And this watch is a prime example. The White Dial GMT boasts a clean and classic design with its white dial and blue bezel. It's powered by the Tudor Caliberment 5652, an automatic movement known for its reliability and precision. What makes this watch stand out is its GMT function, allowing you to track 2 time zones simultaneously. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just appreciate a well-crafted timepiece, the Tudor GMT is sure to impress. And now, at number 3, we have the Norken Independent Skeleton 42mm blue steel. Norken may not be as well known as some other brands on this list, but they're making a strong statement with this watch. The Independent Skeleton features a bold and modern design with its 42mm case and striking blue steel elements. What truly sets this watch apart is its skeletonized dial, which exposes the intricate mechanical movement underneath. It's powered by the reliable ETA 2824 2-a-twist automatic movement, known for its accuracy with its distinctive design and excellent craftsmanship. The Norken Independence is a hidden gem in the world of luxury watches. Now, onto our runner-up at number 2, the Parmigiani Fleuer Tonda PF Minute. Raytron Parmigiani Fleuer is synonymous with high watchmaking, and this watch is a testament to their mastery. The Tonda PF Minute Raytron features a stunning blue dial with intricate goo patterns and a split-seconds chronograph. This complication allows you to time 2 separate events simultaneously, making it a true horological marvel. Inside the case, you'll find the in-house caliber PF 354, a manual winding movement that's a joy to operate with its impeccable finishing and exceptional functionality. It's a watch that deserves a place in any serious collection. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to unveil our number 1 pick, the Rolex Yachtmaster Titanium. Rolex needs no introduction, and this watch exemplifies their commitment to excellence. The Yachtmaster Titanium takes luxury to the next level with its innovative use of materials. The case and bracelet are crafted from lightweight and corrosion-resistant titanium, making it incredibly comfortable to wear. The watch features a striking matte black dial with chromally luminescent markers for excellent visibility in low light conditions. Powering this masterpiece is the Rolex Caliber 3235, a self-winding movement known for its precision and reliability with its iconic design and impeccable craftsmanship. The Rolex Yachtmaster Titanium is the pinnacle of luxury watch making in 2023. And there you have it, folks, our top 10 luxury watches of 2023. Each of these timepieces is a work of art in its own right, showcasing the best of what the watch industry has to offer. We hope you enjoyed this countdown, and if you did, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more exciting watch content. Which of these watches is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep ticking.